Alright, we're skipping to section 9.4. We're going to come back to 9.3 later. I just like this order better because we already did graphing method, we did the substitution method, and now we're going to learn the elimination method. This is 9.4. Really, the title of this section is actually addition or subtraction method, but this way is most likely referred to as the elimination method. Most mathematicians and anyone else, it makes more sense to call it the elimination method, but either one. Okay, so the goal of elimination is to eliminate all x terms or all y terms. Now, big thing is or. It's all x terms or all y terms using addition or subtraction. Of the two equations. So again, you can see kind of how we get eliminate as well as addition or subtraction. So, okay, now once one variable is eliminated, then you can solve for the remaining variable. So we're going to do just that. So we're basically going to add them together. Sometimes you're going to have to subtract, but this time we're going to add them together. Why? Because you see how this one has a negative y and that one has a positive y. If you add these together, they cancel each other out. So then I'm going to add the 5x plus 3x, which gives me an 8x. So we're just going to be adding straight down. So we're going to add the x's down, we're going to add the y's down, the equals comes down, and then I add 12 plus 4, which is 16. And then now it says, so we eliminated that one variable, which it was y, and then we now have to solve for our remaining one, which is x. So we have to divide by 8. So we get x equals 2. So we're not done. Now we have to plug it back into either one, whichever one you want. I'm going to do 5x. So 5 times 2 minus y equals 12. So that's 10 minus y equals 12. Subtract 10. So that is negative y equals 2, but divide by negative 1. So y equals negative 2. So I'd write that as my order pair, 2 comma negative 2. And that would be my answer. Okay? So again, you're going to eliminate with addition or subtraction. Oh, right here, it looks like we're going to do addition again, because look, if you see the opposite, like right here, then you know you're going to add, okay? Because those cancel each other out, but we're going to add x plus 2x, which is 3x. Bring the equal sign down. 17 plus 1 is 18. So divide by 3. So x equals 6. And and we're gonna plug it, and then we're gonna plug it back into either one. So I'm gonna do the first one again. 6 minus 5y equals 1. Subtract the 6. Negative 5y equals 1 minus 6, which is negative 5. Divide by negative 5, which is y equals 1. So we have 6 comma 1. So our next one, solved by elimination, a little bit different because look, we don't have any that match up. We have ones that close, 6c and 6c, but if we add them together, that would give us 12c. So in this case, we're going to take the second one and we're going to basically multiply it by a negative. When you multiply it by a negative, you have to distribute everything. So therefore, it's going to change every sign. So it's going to be a negative c, 6c, plus 2d, minus 12. Okay, so now when so I'm now adding them after I distribute the negative, which makes it subtraction. So 6 minus c, so that cancels out. Then we have 7d plus 2d, which is 9d, equals, and then negative 15 and negative 12. So that would be a negative 27. Divide by 9. D equals a negative 3. And again, I can plug it back into the original problems. So if you plugged it into the second one, you plug it into 6c minus 2d, which actually you could plug it into the other one, but I always want you to get in the habit of plugging into one of the original ones. So I'm going to do 6c plus 7 times d, which is 3, equals a negative 15. So we have 6c plus, really it's going to be minus 21, equals a negative 15. Add 21. And we get 6c equals, and that would be 6. So divide by 6, and c equals 1. So we have, and we're going to do it in alphabetical order, so c comma d, so 1 comma negative 3 would be our answer. So again, if you have If you need to change the signs, then you're going to distribute the negative to the bottom one, and then you can add them up the same way. And then once you find one variable, you can find the other one by plugging back into either one. There you have it, the elimination method.